All right, normally at this time, I would tell my level ones to just practice that and wait for me to teach level 2 or level 3 and then come back and we'll play it all together. But today we are not going to play it all together. I will send a video out with that one a little bit later. So my level ones, I want you guys to hang out and let's learn a little bit of level 2. So let me play level 2 for you first, and I'm going to do it really slow. This is the main melody that you hear. And if you're just joining the video, you can click the link below me or type in the link below me, and it will have all of this tablature for the song. If you're watching on YouTube and on Facebook, it should be in the description below. If not, I'll get it up there a little bit later. All right, so here we go. We are going to learn the melody now. Let me go over it really slow. Third fret. Then this is the tricky part. So let's go over that bit by bit. So we're gonna, if you're looking at the sheet, we're gonna go over the first 4 measures first, and then we'll go over the next part, because after the first 4 measures, the second part kind of repeats. So let's go over the first 4 measures first. Here we go. So it's gonna start with the open G string again. So G, 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 then first fret on the D, then third fret on the G, then open G. And then you do that one more time. First fret, third fret, open. So watch that again. First, 3, open. First, 3, open. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 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 first on the D, first, 3, open, first, 3, open. Alright, now we're going to switch. And with these, I do want you to use the fingers I'm using. So if I'm saying 1 on the fret, that means I'm using my first finger. If I'm saying 3 on the fret, that means I'm using my third. The second, I'm using my second. Fourth, I'm using my fourth finger. Alright, so the next part, we're going to use our fourth finger. So it's going to start on the third fret of the B string. So 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, then 4 on the D, 4, 1, 3, open. Alright, so let's go over that again, starting on the third fret on the B string. 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 3, open. Alright, let's do that from the beginning really slowly. Starting on the G. 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, G. 1, 3, open. 1, 3, open. Third fret on B. 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 3, open. Alright, let's do that one more time. And so I'm using 3 strings for this part. So if you see me on the lower part, that's the B string, G is right here, and D is right here. And normally on D I'm playing 1, normally on G I'm playing 3, and then on B I'm playing 3 and 4. So that'll kind of, if you haven't downloaded the cheat sheet yet, that'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm doing. Alright, so here we go. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, G. 1, 3, open. 1, 3, open. 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. 1, 3, open. Now, for for the next part, you're going to go to the 3rd fret on the high E string. So 3, then G, G, then 3, 3, G, G, 3. All right, now then it's going to go 2, 1, 3, G, G, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, G, G, 3, 2, 1. All right, now open E, 4th, open E. Now that's a little tricky, so work on that one. Make sure you get your 4th down. See, I'm touching this E string a little bit, so you got to get it down and move it away. So let's go over that again. All right, then the next part is 1, 2, 1, open. Then 4, 1. All right, so let's go over that last part. So it's going to go 1, 4, 1. Okay, so let's do that last part from the beginning, starting at the high G string, the high E string on the 3rd fret. 1, 2, ready, go. Bit of a different ending. All right, let's go through the whole thing. And if you're having a hard time following along with the video, I suggest please download the sheet so you can follow along with it as you practice along with the video. So here we go. Let's start again from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Guys, and that's pretty much it. Make sure you download the sheets, and remember, if you download the sheets today, you will get all of the sheets for any upcoming live streams that I have coming up, plus any of my previous live streams. So last week I did Sweet Home Alabama. This is an extra live stream this week. I'm going to do another one on Wednesday for Into the Unknown from Frozen 2. So you'll get that sheet of music. If you have any requests for songs that you'd like to learn, leave those in the comments. And I just wanted to remind you one more time that I'm offering a discount for my package guitar course for this summer if you type in the coupon May the 4th. And those, all of that information is in the description below. See you next time, guys. See you on Wednesday. And if you're on YouTube right now, click that subscribe button below so that you can see more of my videos. I come out with a guitar video just about every day. And if you are a recorder player, I have something coming out for you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to stay with the Star Wars theme, and we're going to do Cantina Band. I do have a couple of more not live streams, But I'm going to do Leia's theme on the guitar a little bit later, and I'm also going to do the main title theme from Star Wars as well. Like I said, if you have any requests, leave them in the comments and click subscribe below. See you next time, guys.